Alright, here we go. 10 number 9, SweetSpot Classic. Still looking for some patches. Still looking for a cut. And a second Letterman amongst hopefully some more sick autographs for some teams that haven't gotten them yet. So we got a base card of Luis Aparicio for the White Sox. And Paul Molitor for the Twins. First game used for the Padres with a brown pinstripe right down the middle of Steve Garvey.
So the Bills have bet all their chips on Trent Edwards. But to start the season, Edwards is facing some tough.
Second game used for the Giants. Nice old wool jersey of Johnny Mize.
And feature-back Marshawn Lynch is suspended for the first 3 games of the season. The Bills did roll the dice on Terrell Owens, but in Ed Werder's latest quarterback conversation at the American Century.
Then for the Dodgers, nice one for a Dodgers fan, and no Sushboi's a Dodgers fan. 48/75 on wood with blue ink of Steve Garvey.
The Bills seem to be something of a sleeper pick this year. What are your expectations for your team going into the training camp?
I think everyone in our locker room have very high expectations of the Buffalo Bills this year. We have obviously a tough division with the Patriots and the Dolphins. And
here we go. 10 number 10.
It's a very, very good opponent. I think we have a 6-part schedule and all the NFL.
Don't worry, go Wisconsin football. Don't worry.
Your first reaction was when you heard Dallas release
I was very surprised. I walked in.
Not even halfway through the case yet, guys. I think we got another case hit here or something. Yeah, this one will have a patch card in it. Alright, we got a base card of Walter Johnson, Senators. Second base is Bill Madlock for the Pirates. First game used. Very nice. Again, for the Dodgers, Sushboi, game used back card of Pee Wee Reese. We don't pull too many Pee Wee Reeses out of this stuff, as far as the game used. At least I haven't.
We had 3 times as many cameras there, and there's plenty of people that want to talk to you about it more, and there's plenty of people like yourself that want to know my opinion suddenly, and that's the position I'm in.
And the patch card is for the Yankees, and it's a green patch. That's kind of odd. Must be from when he's on another team. 43/55 single-color green patch of Goose Gossage for the Yanks.
That's what it comes down to. That's what the quarterback position is judged on. And I know that's not directly answering your question, but it honestly is the way I'm looking at it right now.
He's obviously had a history of relationship issues with Jeff Garcia, Donovan McNabb, and Tony Romo.
And the auto goes to Go Wisconsin Football with the Rangers, number 2/50, blue ink gold stitch of Toby Harrah. It's not Nolan, but at least there's a picture of Nolan Ryan like on the Jumbotron in the corner right there. You can call it like a half a Nolan or something.
Make sure that I'm on the same page with them and seeing eye to eye on things, but I'm not going to go out of my way to talk to Jeff or Tony or Donovan and make sure that I'm trying to gather all the information I can to, be able to handle this situation better. I kind of just...
Alright, team number 11.
And I don't see any reason why my way
Quarterback conversation series continues on Thursday with the Browns' Derek Anderson, new coach in Cleveland. A little battle between Anderson and Brady. You're watching SportsCenter. Manny being dramatic.
Alright, we got base cards of Hoyt Wilhelm for the Giants.
And there it goes on bobblehead night. Manny finds Mannywood.
And George Bell for the Blue Jays.
And the 21st Grand Slam of his career, trailing only Lou Gehrig as the Dodgers beat the
First game used for the A's, Dennis Eckersley.
Grand Slam Wednesday is yet another example of how much of a beast he is with the bases loaded. Over the course of his career, he's hitting .332 with those 21
Second game used for the Yankees, game used back card of Johnny Mize.
6 career RBIs, 21 home runs, the most among active players. Well, it was the dunk heard but not seen round the internet. The phenomenon began July 6th when Xavier
And autograph For the A's, red stitch blue ink of Raleigh Fingers. I have the A's in this break, and I think that will be my 4th Raleigh Fingers auto. Wondering if I have that variation yet. I might, but I'll have to check. Who knows? I might have the rainbow of Raleigh Fingers for sure. Alright, tin number 12.
It's not that. Yeah, here from eBombNation.com is the tape. Crawford clearly dunking on the king, or some other guy dunking on the king, or perhaps another guy dunking on someone else entirely.
Alright, we got a base card of Ralph Kiner for the Pirates.
Why would a guy dunk on his teammate? It was a scrimmage there. Yeah, it might have been.
Dave Winfield for the Padres.
At any rate, we waited 2 weeks for that.
First game used. Nice one for the Indians. Early win with a nice pinstripe and stitching.
Also, no truth to the rumor that LeBron walked off the court without shaking Jordan Crawford's hand after the game. Still a couple Longhorns. Coach Mac Brown stops by SportsCenter.
Then this is a duplicate. Another jersey of Carlton Fisk for the White Sox. And Mr. cfletch with the Cubbies. Numbered 45 of 75, black ink, red stitch of Ryan Sandberg for the Cubs. Pretty sick.
There's a little something unique in there for you on top players. Stick around for that too.
So that is tin number 12. I'm sorry. Is that 12? I'm losing count. Might be 12. Probably. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Yeah, 8 left. Peace.